Imagine a world where cleaning feels effortless, where every corner of your home sparkles with minimal effort, and your most dreaded household chore becomes something to look forward to. Welcome to the future of cleaning, where innovation meets simplicity in a tool that's designed to change the way you think about keeping your home pristine. This is the 360 degrees rotatable telescopic triangle mop. At first glance, you might think, it's just a mop, right? But look closer. This is no ordinary mop. This is a finely crafted instrument designed to make cleaning as smooth and seamless as possible. Let's start with its 360 degrees rotatable head. Forget awkward, rigid movements. The mop's head twists and turns effortlessly, giving you the ability to clean around obstacles, into tight corners, and under furniture with complete ease. Think about the hours you've spent bending down, straining to reach those tricky spots behind furniture or along the baseboards. With the 360 degrees rotatable telescopic triangle mop, all that hassle is gone. Every corner, every edge becomes easy to reach. The mop doesn't fight you. It moves with you, responding to the slightest nudge. Now, versatility, that's the key to a truly great cleaning tool. You don't want to switch from mop to mop depending on the surface, right? The beauty of the 360 degrees rotatable telescopic triangle mop is that it works on every type of floor. From your polished hardwood in the living room to the slick tile in your bathroom, this mop handles it all with finesse. One tool, all surfaces, simple, effective, and so efficient. And let's talk about comfort, because no one wants to struggle with an awkward, uncomfortable mop. The telescopic handle adjusts to your height, meaning no more back-breaking work. Whether you're tall or petite, the mop fits you. You control the length, so cleaning becomes an extension of your natural movement, not a chore that wears you down. Imagine gliding across your floors with a tool that feels almost weightless in your hands. No more bending, no more straining, just smooth, comfortable movements that leave your floors spotless. The ergonomic design doesn't just save your time, it saves your body from unnecessary strain. With the 360 degrees rotatable telescopic triangle mop, you're cleaning smarter, not harder. But it's not just about design, it's about the time and energy you save. Think about how much faster you'll get the job done. The triangular head is perfect for reaching more surface area with each swipe. Combined with the 360 degrees rotating motion, you're cutting your cleaning time in half. The result? Sparkling clean floors in a fraction of the time it usually takes. No more endless scrubbing, no more struggling with those hard-to-remove stains. The microfiber head on the 360 degrees rotatable telescopic triangle mop is designed to grab dirt, dust, and debris with one simple pass. Even those stubborn, sticky messes that usually require scrubbing are no match for this mop. It's designed to lift and lock dirt away, leaving your floors cleaner than ever before. And when you're done, the mop stores away easily, taking up minimal space in your home. It's compact, lightweight, and ready for the next time you need it. Everything about this mop is designed for convenience. So, what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to the days of strenuous cleaning sessions, and hello to a new world of effortless efficiency. This is the mop that doesn't just clean your home, it transforms the way you clean. From its adjustable handle to its rotatable head, every detail is designed to give you the best cleaning experience possible. Are you tired of the endless scrubbing, bending, and straining every time you clean? We've all been there. Those frustrating moments trying to reach into tight corners or awkward spots under furniture. But what if cleaning could be different? What if it could be effortless? Introducing a mop that changes the game. The 360 degrees rotatable telescopic triangle mop. Its standout feature? That innovative 360 degrees rotatable head, designed to move in any direction you need. No more awkward twisting or multiple passes to get the dirt. With one smooth motion, this mop pivots, glides, and reaches every hidden corner of your home dot. Imagine cleaning under the couch, along baseboards, or around those kitchen appliances without even breaking a sweat. The 360 degrees rotating head does the work for you, gliding smoothly under low furniture and into those hard-to-reach spaces where dirt loves to hide. No more getting down on your hands and knees, no more back-breaking effort, just clean, beautiful floors in a fraction of the time dot. And when it comes to tight corners, this mop excels where others fail. The triangular head, combined with the full rotation, makes it easy to clean those tricky areas that are usually impossible to reach. Whether it's a tight kitchen corner or the edge of a hallway, The 360 degrees rotatable telescopic triangle mop gets the job done with precision and ease. Say goodbye to scrubbing and straining for good. The future of effortless, efficient cleaning is here. Upgrade your cleaning routine with the 360 degrees rotatable telescopic triangle mop, your new go-to for a sparkling clean home. Imagine cleaning your entire home with just a simple twist. No more awkward maneuvers or missing those tricky spots. With the 360 degrees rotatable telescopic triangle mop, every angle of your home is spotless in no time. Whether it's tight corners or under furniture, this mop's flexible. 360 degrees rotatable head moves effortlessly, leaving no space untouched. With just one motion, dirt and dust disappear. Every nook and cranny is covered, all thanks to its brilliant design. And what about comfort? The telescopic handle is fully adjustable, designed to fit you perfectly. No more bending, no more hunching over, no more back pain. Simply extend or retract the handle to match your height, allowing you to clean with ease and comfort. Whether you're tall or short, this mop adapts to you, making cleaning a breeze. With every swipe, you're not just cleaning faster, you're cleaning smarter. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to a home that shines from top to bottom, effortlessly. With a simple twist and an adjustable handle that fits you, the 360 degrees rotatable telescopic triangle mop transforms cleaning into a task you'll love. Experience convenience, comfort, and spotless results every time. The telescopic handle adjusts to your height, eliminating bending and hunching. This ergonomic design not only enhances comfort but also protects your body during cleaning. It's perfect for everyone in the household. I can reach every corner without breaking a sweat, said one satisfied user. Another shared, as someone with back pain, this mop is a lifesaver. An elderly user added, I can clean without getting tired. It's the best investment for my home. This mop works on hardwood, tile, laminate, and linoleum. Its microfiber head grabs dirt and spills, leaving your floors spotless every time. Transform your cleaning routine with the 360 degrees rotatable telescopic triangle mop. Visit harristore.com today and experience effortless, efficient cleaning. Clean smarter, not harder.